AI will not replace most developers. But something else will, and many developers are already being replaced by it, without realizing it. Companies are not suddenly firing developers simply because AI exists. Instead, they are gradually replacing developers who cannot adapt to how software is actually being built now. The real threat is not AI itself. The real threat is developers who understand how to use AI to move faster, explore ideas faster, and deliver working solutions faster than everyone else on the team. Those developers are becoming dramatically more valuable, and everyone else slowly starts to look replaceable in comparison. Right now, many developers are focusing on the wrong fear. They worry about AI writing code or generating functions automatically. They see demos of AI producing small applications and assume their role is disappearing. But companies were never paying developers simply to type code. Companies pay developers to solve problems. And the developers who combine their engineering knowledge with AI tools are suddenly solving those problems much faster than before. They can test ideas quicker, validate approaches quicker, and move from concept to working solution much faster. That is the shift most people are missing. Imagine two backend developers with the same level of experience. They understand similar technologies, write similar quality code, and both work on the same type of projects. One writes everything manually and treats AI like a toy or a curiosity, but the other developer reaches that solution much faster and with far more experimentation using AI, and over time, the difference becomes extremely valuable to a company. Not because AI replaced the other developer, but because productivity changed the comparison. AI multiplies productivity by allowing users to prototype faster, debug faster, generate test scaffolding, and explore multiple architectural ideas within minutes. Thus, AI is not replacing engineers, rather, it is amplifying engineers who know how to use it strategically. This is exactly how past technology shifts worked. When cloud computing arrived, developers who understood cloud architecture suddenly had a huge advantage. They could design systems that scaled, deployed faster, and operated more efficiently. When DevOps practices spread across the industry, developers who understood automation and deployment pipelines became dramatically more valuable. The same pattern is happening now with AI. The engineers who integrate AI into their workflow will move ahead of those who ignore it or dismiss it. And this change is subtle but powerful. Companies rarely announce that they are replacing someone. Instead, they quietly start hiring developers who can work differently. They start prioritizing engineers who understand AI-assisted development and modern development workflows. Developers who know how to integrate AI tools into their engineering process. Developers who can design systems that include AI capabilities. Developers who can evaluate model outputs, guide prompts, and integrate models into real applications. In other words, developers who know how to work with AI instead of competing against it. This is why the real career risk is not learning AI too slowly. The real risk is learning it in the wrong way. Many developers believe they must start with deep machine learning theory. They assume they must first understand neural networks, training techniques, and research-level mathematics before they can participate in the AI ecosystem. So they spend months studying theory. But most companies are not hiring AI researchers. They are hiring engineers who can build AI-powered systems. That means understanding how to integrate AI APIs, how to structure AI workflows, and how to evaluate model outputs inside real applications. It means combining traditional software engineering skills with practical AI capabilities. This is applied engineering work, and it is where most AI jobs are actually emerging. So the smartest move right now is not to panic about AI replacing developers. The smarter move is to position yourself as the developer who knows how to use AI effectively inside real engineering workflows. AI won't replace you, but developers who learn to work with AI might. So learn how to design applications that combine traditional software systems with AI services. Understand where AI works well, and just as importantly, where it still fails or produces unreliable results. That understanding is incredibly valuable for companies trying to build real products with AI. The developers who understand this shift will become dramatically more valuable over the next few years. Everyone else may slowly find themselves falling behind. So the real question is simple. Which side of that shift will you be on? If you want to build an AI-proof career, start learning how to use AI as an engineering advantage, not as a threat. And if this kind of strategic AI career guidance is useful, consider subscribing. Because the biggest risk right now is not AI itself. It's building your career in the wrong direction. Thanks for watching.